Hi, welcome to the People Recognition Overview. People recognition is a process for leadership to recognize, appreciate, and reward employees and teams on a regular basis, to celebrate successes, and to generate a spirit of pride. Recognition types include Eye on Safety, Eye on Quality, Certificates of Excellence, Employee of the Month, and more. Appreciation can be formal or informal, such as thank you notes, emails, call-outs in team meetings, luncheons, field trips, trade shows, and more. Rewards can be monetary, promotions, gift cards, extra time off, and more. People recognition is a great way to celebrate success and build a motivated team. Here are some best practice basics. Make it routine. Integrate recognition into your workflow, not an afterthought. Regularly acknowledging good work keeps employees engaged and motivated. Sincerity is key. People can sniff out inauthentic praise. Focus on specific achievements and efforts to show genuine appreciation. Personalize it. A handwritten note or a quick chat about their contribution shows you took the time to recognize them as an individual. Timeliness matters. Don't wait weeks to acknowledge accomplishment. The closer the recognition is to the act, the stronger the impact. Public and private recognition. Use a mix of public shout-outs with the employee's blessing and private moments of appreciation depending on the situation and personality. Recognition, appreciation, and rewards are all important aspects of employee appreciation and motivation, but they differ in their focus and the ways in which they are implemented. Here's a breakdown of the differences between the three. Recognition. Definition. Recognition involves acknowledging and highlighting an employee's contributions, achievements, or behaviors that align with organizational values or goals. Focus. Recognition focuses on the positive actions or outcomes achieved by employees, such as meeting performance targets, demonstrating leadership qualities, or going above and beyond in their roles. Forms. Recognition can take various forms, including verbal praise, written commendations, public acknowledgement during team meetings or company events, certificates, excellence, Eye on Quality, Eye on Safety, Employee of the Month, etc. Plaques, trophies, diplomas, etc. Purpose. The purpose of recognition is to reinforce desired behaviors, boost morale, and foster a culture of appreciation and excellence within the organization. Appreciation. Definition. Appreciation involves expressing gratitude, admiration, or esteem for an employee's efforts, contributions, or personal qualities. Focus. Appreciation focuses on valuing employees as individuals and recognizing their intrinsic worth, efforts, and dedication to their work. Forms. Appreciation can be conveyed through sincere verbal expressions of thanks, handwritten notes, emails, or cards, small tokens of appreciation, e.g., cards, flowers, luncheons, team-building events, teams traveling to trade shows, team dinners, etc., or personalized gestures tailored to the individual's preferences. Purpose. The purpose of appreciation is to make employees feel valued, respected, and supported, thereby enhancing their sense of job satisfaction, engagement, and loyalty. Rewards. Definition. Rewards involve providing tangible or intangible incentives or benefits to employees in recognition of their contributions, achievements, or performance. Focus. Rewards focus on incentivizing desired behaviors or outcomes by offering incentives, bonuses, perks, promotions, or other forms of recognition tied to specific performance metrics or milestones. Forms. Rewards can take various forms, including proficiency promotions, annual monetary bonuses, salary increases, additional paid time off, access to professional development opportunities such as tuition assistance, company-paid educational sponsorship, professional certification training, special events such as shooting competitions, hunting trips, field trips, launch reveals, marketing events, etc. Purpose. The purpose of rewards is to motivate employees, reinforce desired performance, and incentivize continued excellence, while also promoting a culture of meritocracy and fairness within the organization. In summary, while recognition, appreciation, and rewards all contribute to employee motivation and engagement, they serve distinct purposes and can be implemented in different ways to reinforce positive behaviors, foster a culture of appreciation, and drive performance and organizational success. Combining these elements effectively can help organizations create a supportive and rewarding work environment that attracts, retains, and motivates top talent.